machine.
Hi, it's Neil here at Bridgewater Sewing Centre. I'm just doing a short video here on how to take the control box off of this one particular machine. It's a 640 long arm walking foot. What we're going to do first, we're going to be using 3mm and 4mm Allen keys. The 3mm is for the hand wheel, and you'll notice here there's two screws. The first screw that comes to view first, which would be this one, is on a groove on the main shaft. Loosen the top one, and again the hand wheel will come off, and when you go put it back on again, put it on, push it all the way in, back it out just slightly, and then tighten this first screw here on the groove on the main shaft, and then tighten the other one afterwards.
Go.
Okay, first we'll take and get that screwdriver or that Allen key onto the screw right in here. Fell off. Put it after. There's 4 screws all together. And the last one. Just slide her off, and you're going to have 2 connections here. There's no way of getting them backwards. This is for the motor. Pop them off. You squeeze the one end, and come off, and then we've got the cord coming from the foot pedal activator. Okay, and then we got one for the foot lift solenoid and your power supply for the machine. That's all there is to it. And that'll come back off. Make sure the screws all come out. And then when you go to put it back on again, it's just a matter of hooking up the wires the same way they come off. I find it easier to put them on now before I put the box back into place again. Okay, thanks for watching.